How to detox your body naturally, easy tips and tricks. Feeling bloated, sluggish, or just not your best? It might be time to hit reset. Today, we're sharing easy, natural ways to detox your body, no harsh cleanses, just simple habits to help your body do what it's designed to do, heal and thrive. Number 1, start your day with warm lemon water. Lemon water helps jumpstart your digestion and flush out toxins. It's packed with vitamin C and supports your liver, your body's main detox organ. Quick tip, add a slice of ginger or a dash of turmeric for extra cleansing power. Number 2, stay hydrated all day long. Water is your body's natural filter. It helps flush waste, improve digestion, and support kidney function. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day more if you're active. Number 3, load up on fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps clean out your digestive tract and supports healthy bowel movements. Eat plenty of leafy greens, fruits, whole grains, and seeds to keep things moving. Number 4, breathe deep and get moving. Exercise and deep breathing help your lymphatic system push toxins out. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking or stretching daily can energize your body and boost circulation. Number 5, ditch the sugar, caffeine and processed foods. Processed food and sugar slow your system down. Switch to natural, whole foods and swap soda or coffee for herbal teas like dandelion or green tea, which gently support liver detox. Number 6, get plenty of sleep. Detox isn't just about food. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, flushing toxins from your brain and body. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Bonus tip, try a detox bath. Add Epsom salts or baking soda to a warm bath for a relaxing detox. It helps draw out toxins through your skin and it feels amazing. Final thoughts, detoxing doesn't have to be extreme. These simple, natural tips help your body stay clean, energized, and balanced every day. Treat your body well, it's the only place you have to live. Like, share, and subscribe to PureviaLife for more easy wellness tips. Comment below, which detox tip will you try first?